Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to answer one of the questions that I sometimes get asked when we're talking about synthetic indices. As you already know, the broker that we use for trading synthetic indices on this channel, if you don't know what synthetic indices are, on this channel there is a video talking about what are synthetic indices and why are people trading these synthetic indices. So after finishing watching this video, you can go ahead and watch that video. So not to drag too much, I do not make this video take the whole day. One of the questions that I usually get asked is how do we use the Deriv bot section or platform which is offered by Deriv, the broker that we use to trade synthetic indices. So the Deriv bot platform, if you are not aware of it, is it's called dbot. You can Google Deriv bot, or you can get it from inside your account. So what it essentially is a platform where you can use custom robots. You can either create them, or you can actually use what other people have developed. And then what you can use it to trade these synthetic indices, whether you are trading boom and crash, whether you are trading volatility 75, whatever synthetic indices that you want to be trading. So it's a convenient way of trading if you happen to find a good robot that potentially can make you money. So how do you actually go about it? Let's say, for example, you are not so sure yet about using the Deriv bot platform. By the way, if you want me to make videos showing you how you can create your own forex robots on Deriv bot to use on the Deriv broker, no, leave your comment or in the comment section below. Just say yes, show me how to do it, then I'll definitely do that in the coming videos. I think there are several videos already online about how to create robots using the dbot platform for Deriv. So yeah, but if it's something that you want me to do, maybe you think maybe I'll be able to explain it to you better, then just go ahead and leave your comment in the comment section below. So today I'm just going to show you how you can actually no stress, you can find a free forex robots that you can actually use to trade on the Deriv bot platform. So what you want to do, if you go to the dbot section, obviously you can see here this folder that says import. This folder that says save is usually when you've done your own robots here, then you can save them. This sort don't worry too much about, that. So in this video, for the purpose of this video, we're just going to focus on that. So what are we going to do? We are going to find robots that can work on the dbot platform. And where can we find them? Where are we going to find them? The easiest place to find them is actually Telegram. Lo and behold, Telegram. You find that there are people who have shared many of these Deriv bot. By the way, the Deriv bot robots are different from the MetaTrader bots, because the MetaTrader bots, they usually are MT4, MT5. But these ones, the formatting is actually what? It's XLM. The robots will be XML files. So if you log into your Telegram, that's what you're going to search for, XML files. So this is one of the groups that I'm in, where they share robots and tools and other things. So by searching XML files, you can already see what people have been sharing. So these are some of the I just picked up that as a random example. I'm not saying go and use the same thing. So this says picky binary bot. I don't even know what it does. So what I'm just going to do is what to download it. There, the robot has been downloaded. What's going to happen next? I'm going to go to my Deriv bot platform, and I'm going to go to import, and I'm going to find that that robot. So we are going to, so you can see I do test many of these robots just to see which one can work. So then you go to local is your computer or your cell phone, or maybe you saved it somewhere on your Google Drive, but local, it's because we downloaded just now, it's going to be on local. So we go there and we select XML file from device, and we go to our download folder, and you see some of the robots that I've been testing and stuff. So this is what we just downloaded, picky binary bot, and just double click there to load it. So this is a preview. This is just a preview of what the robot is about. So let's just open it. Okay, so I believe our robot is loaded. So it's going to be trading on jump 100 index, and it's going to be using 1 minute, and we can see some of these things. Again, if you want me to go deeper into how to use Deriv bot, then obviously just leave a comment in the comment section below. Just write yes, we want to be taught how to create robots on Deriv bot. Then I'll do that in the coming videos. Then I'll just check everything is okay. Let's just say everything is okay, and then you come here and what you click run. So it's going to ask you blah blah blah. It's going to do this whatever. Let's okay. Bot is starting. Bot is starting. I'm hoping we can see some trades. I don't know what's happening with my interface because it's still saying that it's loading the interface. Because you want to be able to see the interface where it's going to actually be going up and down, then you can what? You can see the thing trading. But this is basically a way to find free forex robots for Deriv bot. This is how you basically actually do it. There are many robots that are being posted out there. You don't need to even create yourself. You can simply download a robot, maybe that has some great promise. If you think that this thing has got some promise, you just find it and you download it. When you download it and you load it where on your Dbot platform, then maybe you can tweak it. Maybe let's choose something maybe continuous, volatility 25. Let's stop here because it didn't load for jump index. Let's hope it's going to load something there. Let's see if we can get it running. I don't know, it's taking long to load. But you actually got an idea of where you can find these robots. That was the purpose of this video. It's saying bot is starting and it's still loading. I don't know. I don't want to make this video any longer than it should have been because I don't want us to spend the whole day here. So this is one of the robots that I was testing last time. So yeah, but anyway, you got the picture. where to find the robots for your dbot platform. You don't necessarily need to start creating them from scratch. You can basically just import them, and this is where Telegram is the best place to find some of these robots, and just come and load them here and tweak them, and then see if they can make money. Otherwise, guys, I'll check you in the next videos. Bye.